What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 on Facebook Live. Okay, just finished doing the YouTube live. Hopefully this video gonna be uploaded to YouTube. Okay. So Facebook Live while frying some burgers. Dominoes 7 is a semi genius of that. All right. Yeah. So anyway, I'm back frying some burgers and stuff like that. I haven't done Facebook Live in God knows when. Okay. So I am super duper happy that I'm back on Facebook Live. If some of you haven't been watching Dominoes 7 on YouTube or whatever, so come on now, get with the program. Wait a minute, is this on? Sometimes I'll be having trouble with this, so come on. Sorry about that, folks. Okay. All right, so here we are, frying some burgers and stuff like that. Yep. And this is frozen right here, raw